Hey, how's it going guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I showed you the step-by-step on how to exchange the gear shifter of your CRF300L. Let's get started. Just a couple of comments before we get started. In case you're interested in this product, just check here in the description of the video. I'm going to leave a link or the brand and the code for you to check it out. I have paid for this with my own money, so this is not sponsored. And if your motorcycle is not a CRF300L, in any case, I think this video is going to be useful to you because the idea is more or less the same. First, we're going to get this cover out, and for this you need an 8mm socket. Also get this screw out, so you get this protective cover, and also here at the bottom you're going to have the last screw. Now for this screw you need a 10mm wrench or 10mm socket. So this screw goes on this side, and then here you just make sure that you choose a position that you're comfortable with. So of course you wouldn't have it too much high up, neither too much low down. So I like to have it more or less here parallel with the sole of my foot, like this. Then once you're happy with it, just push it all the way inside. And then you screw it in. Once you have tightened the screw, just make sure that it's fixed in place, there's not a lot of play, that you're happy with the position, and everything is working properly. Now let's put the cover back on. Take the bracket and the longer screw. Now the shorter screw. And the bottom screw. And that is the step-by-step on how to change the gear shifter of your CRF300L. Now, really appreciate it, guys, if you got some value out of this video. If you can leave it a like, it really helps the channel to grow. And if you enjoy this type of content, maybe you consider subscribing. That's it. Bye-bye.